All right, my friends, we are at the middle of this class. We are halfway done. This is important, this lesson, because this is your midterm. Now, this is a test, not a quiz, not an assignment. It is a test. And because it is a test, my expectation is that you are going to do bigger and better than you would on a quiz or a short answer assignment. Okay. I need you to first follow the instructions. That's important. I want you to pay close attention, though, to the written, because the written assignment is worth 50 points. The written midterm exam is worth 50 points. All right, it's going to tell you what they want you to view. And then it's going to ask you to apply 3 concepts. That's listening, verbal, and nonverbal. So my expectation is that I'm going to see a paragraph on listening, a paragraph on verbal, a paragraph on nonverbal. I'm also expecting to see an introductory paragraph and a conclusion paragraph. So I'm expecting to see a 5-paragraph essay on the question that's being posed. Now, I am looking for examples. So one, I'm looking for examples from the segment that you're going to watch that specifically speaks to the concept that you are going to share. So if there's a concept that you see as you're viewing the video, you want to pull that, right? But don't just give me a whole bunch of examples from the film clip and they're not tied to a concept. Now, my expectation is that for at least one concept from listening, one concept from verbal, one concept from nonverbal, I want to see a citation from the work that you've done previously. So, for instance, nonverbal, you've got 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 from the communication in the real world, and then so on and so forth. So you're going to have to go back through the lessons and kind of find some of those major concepts that you want to share. Okay. Again, it's important. This is worth 50 points. So I'm looking for you to provide examples from your text, at least one for each of verbal, nonverbal, and listening. I'm expecting to see specific examples from the film clip that speak to those particular concepts that you want to share. And I'm expecting to see, at minimum, 5 paragraphs, an introductory paragraph, a paragraph on listening, a paragraph on verbal, a paragraph on nonverbal, and something to close it out. Okay? All right. Remember to go through, take a look at the instructions, read them because it's very important. These items are timed, so it's very important for you to do a real good review of lessons 1 through 5. And I believe they're in lesson 6. It does go through each lesson. Okay? And if you want to use concepts from each of the lessons, again, remember that you're going to put the lesson number, comma, and the section that you're taking it from. Okay? So we'll do it that way. All right? Okay, so if you have any questions before you start the exam, you can email me and I will respond to them. Again, before you start the exam, because it's timed. All right? Okay, we'll see you in lesson 7.